Hi, friends. Um, let's go ahead and we're going to start part two of our lesson three, module one. Yesterday we did part one and I modeled for you on how to retell a story, right? I hope everybody has their materials ready and they put their first name and last name on the form already. All right, so let's go ahead and go and talk about refresh our little memories. Our thinking steps, right? So storytelling is when you tell things in detail step by step. So you start asking yourself, thinking, the main characters, where was the setting was, what was a problem, how was a problem resolved, and how was a problem was resolved at the end, right? What was a problem and what did the characters do about the problem, sorry, and then how was a problem resolved, right? And that's how you tell a story in order. So you remember yesterday how we talked about the three little pigs, right? So in the three little pigs, we said that there was talking pigs. That was the kind of story it was. And the characters were the pigs and the wolf. At the beginning of the pages, they had a straw hat. The problem was that the pig wanted to blow their house down, and he did. He blew the straw house and the stick house, and then they went to the brick house, to the last pig, right? So how was that problem resolved? Well, he tried to blow down the brick house, but he couldn't, right? He could figure it out like he couldn't, right? So then he went to the fireplace, and that's when he got burned, right? So now, knowing all that, we had to put it together as a recount events in order, okay? So as we put it together, we needed to use those words like, in the beginning, there was three pigs that built a straw, wood, and a brick house. Then this big red wolf comes and blows the straw house and the wooden house, and the two pigs run to the brick house. The wolf tries to blow the brick house, but it remains standing. It remains standing. When the wolf can't blow the house down, he slides down the fireplace and he burns up. Now, that's a recount of all the events in order. Did I say it in order? Yes. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a picture walk with Emma's rug, okay? And some of the questions that I need for you to be asking yourself, because you're going to answer one of them, okay? Number one, what is the author trying to say in the story? Number two, why does the author start the story when Emma is a baby? Okay, so those are the questions that we're going to be asking ourselves when we're doing a picture walk. Okay, so we're going to do that in the next section. Okay, see you then.